Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Leica mobile SIM card in the UK. First, insert your Leica mobile SIM card into your phone. Make sure you use the correct size, standard, micro, or nano. Next, turn on your phone and wait a few moments for it to detect the SIM. You'll soon receive an activation text message confirming your SIM is active. You might also get a second message with your new phone number and plan details. Once you get those messages, simply restart your phone to make sure everything's working properly. And if you're using an eSIM, just scan the QR code sent to your email and follow the on-screen steps to complete activation. And that's it. Your Leica mobile SIM is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.